Hey, sorry, Khaladzi, yo, Bashimane, what do you want? Araro ufuna cold drink and I go back to eat. Bruh. Okay, which cold drink? Coke ya dure, are we refresh kana kitu? You trying to say I'm cheap? No, because I wanna keep you refreshed and wanna be your king. See? Okay, which flavor? Stony. Leave me alone, that's not even sweet. Oh wait, Stony because you are my rock and you know Bafazi Mbakoto. Oh wow, that's actually nice, eh? Well, you to me are just like a sprite, cause I can see right through your lies. I my small keeper. I can Yo, you wanna work on breaking my heart? I'm not hiring you. Try next door.